So again, I have received another kit from Emegamart, and this is summer skincare. So in the sample, we are having skin whitening deep cleansing facial foam from Ethiglo and 360-degree Block Sunscreen Gel. So let's use and we'll show you how it works. This is what my skin looks like after washing it using this. So definitely it works. It has done its job. Now going to the sunscreen part. So this is my skin looks like after using this sunscreen 360-degree gel. So it definitely does its job because it shows you the matte feel, light, non-greasy. So of course I feel that you can see it is a very non-light, non-oily feel. Like my face is looking matte actually. So this is a good sunscreen. Definitely recommend it to you all. So this was all about my Emegamart summer skincare routine. Bye bye.